Renting a house through Zillow involves browsing available rental listings and contacting landlords or property managers directly. Here's a guide. Search for rentals. Visit Zillow's website or app and navigate to the rent section. Enter your desired location, budget, and other preferences. Explore listings. Review rental listings that match your criteria. Check property details, photos, rental terms, and contact information for the landlord or property manager. Contact landlords or property managers. Reach out to the listing's contact person via email or phone provided on the listing. Express your interest, ask questions, and request a viewing or more information about the property. Schedule viewings. Coordinate with the landlord or property manager to schedule a visit to the property. Inspect the house, ask about lease terms, and assess if it suits your needs. Submit rental application. If you're interested, the landlord may ask you to fill out a rental application form. Provide necessary information such as employment history, references, and credit details. Negotiate terms and sign lease. If approved, negotiate terms like rent amount and lease duration. Once agreed, sign the lease agreement and pay any required deposits or fees. Move in and commence tenancy. Coordinate moving details, pay the first month's rent and deposit, and complete any remaining paperwork before moving into the rented property.